Fibonacci arcs are half circles that extend out from a trend line. The first and third arcs are based on the Fibonacci ratios 0.382, 38.2%, and 0.618, 61.8%, respectively, which are often rounded to 38% and 62%. The middle arc is set at 0.50 or 50%. After an advance, Fibonacci arcs are measured using a baseline that extends from trough to peak. Arcs are drawn along this line with radii that measure 0.382, 0.50 and 0.618 of the baseline. These arcs mark potential support or reversal zones to watch as prices pull back after the advance. After a decline, Fibonacci arcs are used to anticipate resistance or reversal zones for the counter-trend bounce. Calculation. Baseline. A line from point A to point B. First arc. Radius equals 0.382 of baseline. Second arc. Radius equals 0.500 of baseline. Third arc. Radius equals 0.618 of baseline. The first step is to pick the peak and trough for the baseline. Draw the line from trough to peak for an advance or from peak to trough for a decline. The example above shows Home Depot, HD, with a baseline from trough to peak. The radius for the first Fibonacci arc measures 38.2% of the baseline. The radius for the second Fibonacci arc is in the middle of the baseline, 50%. The radius for the third Fibonacci arc measures 61.8% of the baseline. Three half circles are drawn based on these radii. Notice how HD reversed near the third Fibonacci arc, 61.8%.